Alrighty, welcome back to episode 2, Trading School. Today we're going over market structure shifts and change in state of delivery, which if you don't know is the exact same thing. Just everybody in the community seems to refer to them as different things. They are the same thing, and I've seen people get that mixed up before, so just want to clarify that. But let me break into it. So last episode we went into trends, and so here you have your uptrend, and then you have a downtrend. Now what breaks a trend is what we're looking at today. So all that breaks is a trend is a market structure shift or a change in state of delivery. So when you're getting higher lows, like we had talked about, higher lows, higher highs, in order for us to break this trend and catch a reversal, we're looking for a candle close. That's very important, a candle close, not just a candle wick here. A candle close below a previous prominent low. So I say prominent low because there are lows, internal lows that don't matter, which we'll go over in a real chart in a minute. But as soon as this candle closes below this low, that gives us our market structure shift. And the same is true for a bullish scenario. If you have a downtrend, how do we turn bullish? Well, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower high, lower high. As soon as we get this candle close above this lower high, that is a market structure shift or a change in state of delivery right here. Okay, so from there you want to see us push higher out of that trend. Market structure shift is one confluence in the many that I'm going to be teaching to help you identify a trade and get your edge in the market. But let's go over some real examples here that we can do. Let's see, find a good one. Alright, cool. This is decent. So you can see we're downtrending here. Trending down. Now, why I said prominent lows and highs is because you're going to have scenarios like this, right? Where, but Aiden, we closed above this high here on the 1 minute chart. We closed above it. Oh, what the fuck did I do? Sorry about that. That's just a bullshit page. So we closed above it. What are we gonna do? Is this a change? Oh, well, technically we didn't, but say we did. Say this candle right here closed above this high. That's a change in state, right? Yes, it is. But is it on the big time frame? If we zoom out to a 15-minute chart, look at it from here. Is that really a change in state? No, we're still trending down. Look at the prominent highs and lows. You gotta remember that these high time frames carry more weight. So these are the highs and lows that look obvious to me. So if we got a 15-minute candle close above this, maybe that would be closer to a market structure shift. But you have to be careful getting faked out with these lower time frame charts. You want to align your high time frame bias with your low time frame chart to get best entries. But you can see here, you can see here, let me find another example. This one's not the greatest. Okay, cool. This looks decent. Yeah. So we got another downtrend. Let me get rid of some of this other junk. It's just previous annotations from trading, but killer trade here. Pop. Alright, check this out. This is a good change in state of delivery. Where is it? If you were to take a look, where's that change in state happening? Jesus, sorry. Where is that change in state happening? It's happening. I'll give you a second to try to guess. Where is it? Is it what high do we close over that causes this change in state of delivery or market structure shift or whatever you want to call it? But it'd be right here. Why? Well, you can see we're trending down in a manner that produces prominent lower highs and lower lows. Yada yada yada. You guys get the point of this by now, I hope, with trends, but here is our market structure shift as soon as we close above this high here. Now that is a sign that we're breaking out of the trend, breaking out and going higher. Let me see if I can find a reverse example right here. Actually, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. Now it's the opposite. So now we have make this green for you. I just want everything to be super simple, super easy to understand. We have this trend. You guys can see it. I'll mark it out one more time. We've got the higher lows all the way up the board. These guys, these guys, these guys. Then we got higher highs all the way up the board. These guys, this guy. Now what does it take for a change in state of delivery? Well, it takes a close below a prominent low. Right there. This is the guy we're looking at. Right here. Why? Because this is the most recent prominent low. Now it also rests under a fair value gap, which I will teach you guys in the future what that means. But if you can see here, we don't get the change in state right here. Some people will call this a change in state when we wick below this low, but it's actually not. It's not until we get this closed candle here, which is a true break in the trend. Because it's very possible for it to go down here and just keep moving up. But as soon as we get that candle closed below the low, you know that's a market structure shift. You know that there's more sellers coming in than buyers, and it's a sign in a change of order flow. Okay, from bullish to bearish. So there's a couple examples. I'll post more examples in my Discord. That way you guys can keep up with that and looking and practicing. But yeah, I want you guys to just go in the market, identify these market structure shifts, identify where there might be fake outs, and try your best to find that high or that low that needs to be closed above, because this is going to be huge for future confirmation in our trades, and it's a building block of ICT and this strategy that I'm going to be teaching you guys. So yeah, if you guys didn't know already, my name's Aiden. I'm teaching you how to trade NASDAQ. And I failed to do an introduction, but I just want to get this content out quick. I want to get it out efficiently. I want to get it out in short form content where you guys can learn quick, and you don't have to waste hours and hours, hundreds of hours on these charts trying to find or learn for yourself, because it's just it's a waste of time. The quicker you guys can absorb this knowledge, the quicker we can get you to being profitable. So alright, that's it for me today, but you guys have a good one. Peace.